So this is a GEDMatch. Um, so GEDmatch.com. This is another website which has a lot of DNA models, and you can come here and upload your DNA data and see how what are the different races you're coming from, what might be your different races, what races might your ancestors were from. So so this is Harper World at Mixture Proportions. This is a model developed by some researcher, and then you can choose your kit number over here, like kit number over here, and then select, and you'll see that you will have a much more detailed view. So this is Harper World, which is, I think it contains data from Europe, India, and also Southeast Asia. So I like this model because it will give you a much more detailed view of your the DNA. So from this model, this model includes races. If you look at on your left hand side, see that it has the data. It has South Indian data, it has Balochistan data, Caucasian data, Northeast European data, Southeast Asian data, Siberian, Northeast Asian, Papuan, American, Beringian. Beringia is like the northern side of the North America, like Canada, and then Russia, that region. Mediterranean, Southwest Asian, San, I don't know what San means, East African, Pygmy, Western African. So as you can see that it tells me that it compares my DNA data with this model and says that I'm 49.02% South Indian, which is, yeah, obviously most true for most of the Bangladeshi people, because South India is like Tamil Nadu or that region, South Indian part, and it also says that I'm 27.31% Balochistan, which is like more like western side of India, so northwestern side of India. So yep, Balochistan probably all right. Caucasian, well, Caucasian is people from Scandinavia. So the Caucasian people, they're basically white people. They have more pointy nose, more fairer looking people. And the next is Northeastern European. So Northeast European is like Hungarian, that side of Europe, like Hungary, Albania, yep, that side probably. I'm not, I can't clearly recall, but yep, that region. Southeast Asian, yes, Philippines, Vietnam, that part. I have my DNA matches 8.61% with that population. Siberian, wow, Siberian, yes, Siberian is that region, that Siberian region from in Russia. So that my data matches with 1.27%. Northeast Asian 2.54%, which is yep, I think that should be Japan, Korea, that side. Oh, even it matches a bit with Papuan population 0.52%, and Beringian 2.54%. Beringia is like that. There is a there is to be a land bridge between Russia and Canada. If you look at, and yeah, there was a bridge during the Ice Age period. There was a bridge. So this is Ancestry.com. So this is the AncestryDNA website. So this is where I got my kit from, and then I got my DNA tested, and then I have my ethnicity estimate. So anyways, they have been updating their data model for last few years. So I think my result got updated recently. So but let me show you. So this is my profile. So it has something. This is something called DNA history, and this is very basic from my understanding, because I'm said that I'm 100% Southern and Eastern Indian. So anyways, let's discover. So they have updated my DNA data, and they have actually plotted me as a part of Southern and Eastern India. Uh, so it's basically that they're saying that I'm basically from that region. So you can see that they're categorizing me like I'm from Southern and Eastern India. So yeah, previously it was like 66% South Indian and 33% Central Indian, and then probably 1% was from East Asia. But yeah, that's it. That's it from AncestryDNA. However, I have used GEDMatch to get a bit of detailed view of my DNA ethnicity. So let's have a look.